This is why you need a 3D printer in your life. It's like having a mini factory at your fingertips. Welcome to the world of 3D printing. It's like a magic trick, but instead of pulling a rabbit out of a hat, you're pulling out, well, pretty much anything you can dream of. Here's the scoop. 3D printers build objects layer by layer. Think of it like stacking pancakes, one delicious layer at a time. But instead of syrup and batter, we use special materials like plastic, resin, or even metal. Picture a hot glue gun having a party with your computer's design. It melts plastic spaghetti and carefully layers it into a mind-blowing masterpiece. The precision is akin to a robot icing a cake, only cooler. You start with a digital design. The printer reads this design and starts laying down material, layer by layer, until your creation is complete. Voila! Instant masterpiece. What's cool? You can print toys, tools, or even prototype inventions. It's perfect for hobbyists, inventors, and those who just love to tinker. Beyond the laughs and quirky creations, 3D printing is transforming how products are designed and manufactured. It reduces waste, accelerates prototyping, and even enables space exploration. Who knew plastic could be this powerful and fun? So why not unleash your inner creator? Dive into the 3D printing revolution today.